Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to see the reels you have been tagged in on Instagram. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. You can easily find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on them to open the menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find an option called Your Activity. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. After tapping on Your Activity, a new page will open. Look for the Tags option and tap on it. And there you have it. You've successfully reached the section where you can see all the reels you have been tagged in on Instagram. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy Instagramming!